Okay, hi, assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Okay, so in this video we will proceed with the chapter. Yeah, we are still chapter 1, but the another subtopic we call it as uh, Euler's method and Hume's method. Okay, so if you for your information, these two methods is a part of numerical method. Okay, before this is a numerical method. Yes, until now is still a numerical method, but we embedded in our subject differential equation. Okay, because it's relate. Okay, dia ada kaitan. Okay, so okay class, sorry, my cat. Alright, so yeah, I'm sorry again. Okay, so now we start first with the Euler's method. Okay, class, Euler's method. So as I said just now, we have two methods for this chapter. For this topic that we will cover, first is Euler's method, and another one is Range-Kutta, second order. Okay, so for all the what you call it, the intro, or maybe you want to get some view of what's the method and so on, you may refer to the slides. Okay, in this video I just show you example. Okay, sebab saya nak jimat, I mean because video tak yelah lama-lama pun nanti boring pula kan, so I just go terus to the example, right? Okay, but what I want to say now, what I want to say here, these two method, Euler's and also Range-Kutta method, is it will give you answer, but that is not the exact answer. Bukan jawapan tepat, bukan exact solution. It's just a approximation. Dia cuma jawapan yang menghampiri kepada jawapan yang betul. Okay, okay. Maksudnya untuk numerical method, yes, we will just find out the approximation answer. Alright. Okay, so that's some facts for you to know about the numerical methods punya method lah. Okay, so Euler's method, so I write down first the formula that we will use here. Yn equal to yn minus, yn minus 1 plus h f xn minus 1 yn minus 1. Okay, so you get it, you can get it, the formula. If you're not clear, see clearly what I write here, so you may find out in your slides. Okay, so okay, y is y. Okay, n is to represent the iteration. Okay, y1, y2, y3 and so on. And h is a step size. Okay, h is step size. So what is meant by step size? Step size mean the gap. Okay, I give you example here, y(x). So step size here is the gap between each point to this point to this one. So the gap here we call it as h, or step size, right? And this h is only for x lah, for the x-axis here. Okay, so to get okay, so what our objective here? Our objective here to find the value for x. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, we want to find all this value. Okay, right? So this is the purpose of the method. Okay, so I just go to the example. Okay, the example asks you to use the Euler's method, okay, to integrate numerically. Okay, even though the word here is integrate, but this is not the integration punya what you call the job scope that macam you jumpa tu, bukan this is just the word. Okay, integrate numerically dy dx equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Okay, from x equal to 0 to x equal to 3 with a step size h equal to 0.5, and then the initial condition at x equal to 0 is y equal to 1. This is important, okay? The initial condition is important for you to start your work. Okay, alright, so this is the question. Okay, I just use another page to show the what you call the answer. Okay, actually I'm using the recycle paper, okay class, so just ignore what you can see here, just ignore because this is at the behind one. Alright, okay, so this is your equation just now. Okay, and dy dx also is equal to fxy. Okay, fxy means is equal to dy dx. Okay, benda yang sama. Alright, so now we start with x naught, y naught. Okay, x naught, y naught, you can get it directly from the equation. Okay, dia dah beritahu tadi, initial condition. That will be your x naught and y naught lah. So x naught u is 0 and y naught is 1. Okay, next, we want to find x1. Okay, we want to find x1. How to find x1? Okay, macam yang tadi saya dah tulis, I already draft a graph here. This is x, this is a x axis. So you can see that this point to this point, okay, for example, from here 0, to get this point, okay, to get this one, what we do? 0 plus apa ni? Ni tadi apa? 0 plus h. Yes, so means that your x1 is x0 tadi 0 plus h. What is your h? 0.5. So your x1 will be 0.5. So for you to make it easy, you just, maksudnya tak perlu pun nak tunjuk kosong tambah ni, tak perlu. You just, because that is in your mind, we know that the gap between x is 0.5. So from 0 to the next point will be 0.5. From 0.5 to the next point will be 1. From 1 to the next point is be 1.5. Okay, you just add your 0.5 in your head. Okay, so y1. Okay, before we find your y1, I want to fill out all this one first, the x value first. Okay, my question is until what value of x that we will stop. Maksudnya sampai x berapa yang kita akan stop calculation. Until when, what's the candidate indicator that you will make sure that we will stop here. Apa yang menunjukkan kita kena stop kat situ. So you read again your question. Okay, your question say that blah 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 from x0 to x3. Okay, from x0 until x3. So the keyword here is 3. Means that you will do your calculation, your x calculation and of course your y respectively until x3. Not x3 this. Yang ni x3 to what, to represent the iteration of berapa kali kita dah kira x. Bukan yang ni. Yang dimaksudkan adalah when x equal to 3, then we will stop. So that's why I just suggest you, before we find out your y, so we fill up first your x here. So your x2 will be 1, your x3 will be 1.5, your x4 will be 2, this one is 2.5, and your x6 will be 3. Then you will stop. Maksudnya they have no more x lah. Okay, tak ada dah x yang you kena cari lepas tu. Okay, so means that also the same thing for y. So means that they have y1 until y6 lah kat sini you kena cari. Okay, then baru kita patah balik. So now we go back to this y1. How to get the value of y1? So you need to using the formula just now. Okay, y and blah 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 tadi tu. So here class, and here is represent the things that we calculate now. For example, we calculate for x1 just now, y1. So means that your n here is 1. Okay, so y1. So yn minus 1. So tadi n tu adalah 1 kan? So will be 0. Plus h. What is your h? 0.5. And then f x 0 y 0. Okay, you just substitute all the value for. Okay lah, kalau nak senang saya rasa better kita buat satu table macam ni. Okay, this one is your n, this one is your xn, this one is your yn. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright. Is it okay? Maksudnya, okay, I repeat again. So here would be n, xn and yn. So you just wrote down your n first, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So xn means you will calculate x0 until x6. Same thing for yn. Y1, sorry, y0 until y6. So now here, okay, what is your y0? Your y0 here, you can get it from the previous value that you already get it from the equation. So it will be equal to 1 plus, okay, so now fill out this one first inside here. What is your s0? Your s0 is 0. What is your y0? Y0 is 1. Okay, so now the question here, what's the value, or where we can get it, the value for f01? Okay class, f01 actually, okay, this is means f x y when your x equal to 0 and when your y equal to 1. That's it. So where is your equation fxy? This equation. Okay, as I mentioned just now, dy dx also is equal to fxy. Okay, so maksudnya you just masukkan je lah 0, 1. Okay, masukkan dalam equation ni 0 into x and 1 into y, but they have no y, so means that they have no value to substitute lah for y. So they have be 1 plus 0.5 and this one is equal to 3. And then the answer will be 2.5. Okay class, so means that for x1 0.5, your y1 will be 2.5. Okay, so then next you find your y2, y3 and so forth. So maybe some of you wonder, can we just calculate randomly? For example, I feel like maybe lah you nak bincang dengan kawan, selalu ni bincang-bincang ni. Okay, macam okay, I calculate y5 for example, and your friend, or no, you calculate y5 and then your friend calculate y2. Lepas tu you combine. Sila tak boleh. So kenapa tak boleh? Because of, for example, you want to calculate y5. To calculate y5, you need the value of y4. Maksudnya you tak boleh dapat soalan, you nak terus buat y6. Tak boleh. You need to follow the sequence. You need to follow y0, y1, y2 and so on. So, dia kena ikut sequence, one thing. Another thing here, if the answer that you get, for example, y1, you calculate wrongly, salah. And obviously your y2 will be wrong also. Maksudnya kalau y1 salah, of course y2 you akan salah because you guna jawapan daripada y1. So y1 salah, you will affect all this value. For example, y1 salah, y2 of course salah. Y2 salah, y3 of course salah. Until lah y6 pun salah. So please make sure, jangan kalang kabut nak kira sangat. You careful, calculate carefully because nothing pun kat sini. Chapter ni is nothing. You just substitute the value slowly, calculate carefully, and then you will get answer correctly. Okay, class. So okay, I just the rest you may continue by yourself, but I will give you the final answer. Then you will check by yours. Okay, you do it by yourself. Okay. Okay class, so that's it for now. For this video, we just cover the Euler's method. So the next video I will show you the Runge-Kutta second order.